light switch has the following positions, which behave differently depending on ignition status. 0. Ignition switched off. Lights off. Ignition switched on. Daytime running lights switched on. Auto. Ignition switched off. Coming home and leaving home lights on. Ignition switched on. Automatic control of dipped beam and daytime running lights. Side lights. Ignition switched off. Side lights on. Ignition switched on. Daytime running lights switched on. Dipped beam. Ignition switched off. Dipped beam headlights off. Ignition switched on. Dipped beam on. When the lights are set to position 3, you can turn the switch to the first position to switch on the front fog lights. If you turn the switch fully, the rear fog lights are switched on. Push the switch or turn it to the 0 position to switch them off. To activate the turn signals, move the lever upwards for the right turn signal or the right parking light when the ignition is off. Move the lever downwards to switch on the left turn signal or the left parking light when the ignition is off. To activate the main beam, move the lever fully downwards. It can only be switched on if the dipped beam headlights are on. For the headlight flasher, move the lever towards the steering wheel. The hazard warning lights are used to draw the attention of other road users to your vehicle in emergencies. They are activated by pressing the switch. All the turn lights flash simultaneously. From the neutral position, move the lever vertically towards the required position. INT, windscreen wiper wipe with intervals. Low, slow wipe. High, fast wipe. 1 times, brief press for short clean. Off, stop. If you move the lever towards the steering wheel, the windscreen washer and windscreen wiper functions are activated simultaneously. In the opposite position, the rear window wash is activated. When you press it, the window washer function and window wiper functions are activated simultaneously. The blades must be in the service position before they can be changed. To put them in this position, turn the ignition on and off and, within at least 9 seconds, move the windscreen wiper lever towards the steering wheel. Lift the wiper arm, rotate the blade slightly and press and hold the release button. Pull on the blade and remove it. Insert a new blade of the same length and type and return the arm to its original position, resting on the windscreen. To change the window wiper blade, separate the arm from the window, slide the adapter backwards and remove the blade. To assemble the new blade, proceed in the opposite order.